In this video, you will see how you can monitor an event stream generated by FromEventPattern method. So what we want to do is we want to create a form, and so I'm in LinkPad and we say form, okay, and it is asking that I need to add the assembly, so I point it to that. So I'll say my form equals to new form, and what I want is, typically I want to add a event handler to this. I'll say MouseMove. That's what we do now, plus equals to MouseMoved, right? And then you provide the implementation for MouseMove. With Rx that changes and we don't have to do that, so I'll comment that line. This is for your reference only. So what you can do is you'll say that my form, say where moves equals to observable dot from event pattern. So this uses reflection to put call that correct method. So I'll say my form, that is the object. So if from event pattern takes which one that we are using, and then which object, and then the name of the event. So we'll say MouseMove. And now if we say moves.dump, it will be a constant monitoring of the events. So this generates a mouse event args collection. So if I run it, you'll see a form coming up. I didn't show the form, sorry about that. So I'll have to show the form so that I can move the mouse on top of that. So I'll say show. So the form came up here, and as I move my mouse, this is changing, but we can see that scrolling down here. But the problem is we don't want to see all these details. We are interested only in the coordinates. So I'll close this guy. Okay. Okay, now what we will do is, instead of, so now you can use this link to project. So I'll say select p event args dot nothing is coming, because select does not know what type of event that we are trying to project. So I will say it is a mouse event args, and we'll say now I get all of these things. Say location, that's what we want to move into. And now if we say dump, as soon as this mouse came on top of it, I will see the data. This too fast. I will show that some kind of filtering that we can do, so the power of composition stays. So we'll say where, now we'll keep that as is, and we'll say another variable which say bisector equals to moves dot where p dot x equals to p dot y. So whenever we are on the bisector, we will just see that. So if we say bisector dot dump, there is nothing in there. I just crossed the bisector at 46, 111 and 111, so on and so forth. So you see, you can actually pass in this event stream to some kind of processors, and then they can take it from there. So it's a very powerful mechanism to tame streaming events. It can come from, so let's say you have a GPS or navigation systems, you can simulate that using this kind of an API. And hope you find this useful. and thank you for watching.